Hey pet parents! We love our dogs, and their health is our top priority. But did you know there are certain signs that might indicate your dog is in serious trouble? Today, we're going to talk about 5 critical signs that mean you should get your dog to the vet immediately. Let's jump right into it. These signs could save your dog's life. First up, excessive vomiting or diarrhea. If your dog has more than one episode of vomiting or diarrhea, especially in a short time, it could be a sign of poisoning, infections, or even a blockage. Some conditions like parvovirus or gastroenteritis can get worse very quickly, so don't wait. If this happens, call your vet immediately and get your dog checked out. Dehydration can set in fast, and that can be dangerous. If your dog isn't drinking enough water or seems weak after vomiting, it's even more important to seek help as soon as possible. Next, let's talk about lethargy. If your dog is suddenly overly tired, sluggish, or reluctant to move, it could be a sign of something major like an infection, heart issues, or even pain from an injury. Sometimes, dogs will hide their pain, so it's important to pay attention to these changes. If your dog doesn't perk up after a nap or refuses to play, it's best to call your vet to make sure there's nothing serious going on. Another big red flag is difficulty breathing. If your dog is panting heavily, wheezing, or seems like they can't catch their breath, something could be wrong with their heart or lungs. Conditions like heart disease, pneumonia, or even asthma could cause breathing problems. If your dog is showing signs of struggling to breathe, don't hesitate. Take them to the vet immediately. The faster you act, the better the chances of recovery. Even if they seem okay afterward, don't ignore labored breathing. Your vet will be able to determine if it's a sign of something serious. Has your dog suddenly lost interest in food or started drinking water excessively? Both are cause for concern. A sudden drop in appetite could indicate a number of things, from digestive issues to more serious conditions like kidney disease or cancer. On the flip side, if your dog is constantly drinking and peeing more than usual, it could be a sign of diabetes or other metabolic disorders. Changes in appetite or thirst can be subtle, but they shouldn't be ignored. If you notice these changes, make an appointment with your vet to rule out any serious health problems. Finally, seizures or tremors. If your dog is having seizures, twitching, or shaking uncontrollably, do not wait. Seizures can be caused by a variety of issues, including infections, toxins, or neurological disorders. Sometimes, dogs can have just one seizure, but it could be a sign of something serious brewing inside their body. If your dog experiences a seizure, it's critical to get them checked by a vet immediately. Seizures can be frightening, but quick action is important to get them the care they need. Remember, your dog can't tell you when something's wrong, so it's up to us as pet parents to notice the signs. If your dog shows any of the symptoms we talked about today, don't wait. Contact your vet immediately. Early intervention can make all the difference when it comes to your dog's health. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more pet health tips. Share this video with other dog owners to help them keep their furry friends safe too. Thanks for watching, and take care of your pets.